In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Zendesk version. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Zendesk website. Once you are on the site, you should see a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click that. This action will take you to a login page where you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Zendesk account. Make sure you double-check for any typos when entering your credentials to avoid unnecessary errors. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard, and this is where the real fun begins. Now that you are logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll spot either your profile photo or, if you haven't uploaded one, a default user avatar icon. It's a small but significant detail, as this is your gateway to accessing your account options. Go ahead and click on that icon. As soon as you click, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to look for the option that says About. It's usually right there, sitting comfortably among other settings. Click on About, and this will lead you to a screen that's bursting with information. On this new screen, you'll be greeted with a variety of technical details about your workspace. But what you're specifically looking for is the software version number. This number indicates precisely which version of Zendesk you are currently running. It's essential to know this information, especially if you need to troubleshoot or if you have any compatibility questions regarding integrations or updates. When you've located the version number, take a moment to note it down if you need to reference it later. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to check your Zendesk version in just a few steps. To recap, you started by logging into the Zendesk website, clicked on your profile icon in the upper right corner, selected the About option from the drop-down menu, and finally viewed the version details displaying the software version number you are running. Simple, right? And remember, being aware of your Zendesk version can help you stay updated with any changes or improvements in the software, so it's a good practice to check it regularly. If you thought this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tips and tricks